Hello guys, I want to show you our new workshop. We have so much waste now, but now we're working and two laser cut machines ready and working this week, and I show you. Here now our office. We have so much waste now, and some laptops at tables, and three guys sitting there with me. Our coffee machine, my cup with Lana's art, and here our door to our manufacturer. We buy these doors used and save so much money because it was very cheap. Here our workshop place. Bogdan. Big laser, well, not big, medium laser cut machine, another medium laser cut machine, and little one, but it's not working now, and so much waste because we doing this ventilation and we need so much parts. And logotype said biggest one laser cut machine. And our room where we have UV printer. That UV printer working and printing some instrument to our wires, and also galvo gravers. We doing some engraving at these parts, and we need to do so much work, but we're now working, and for me it's very cool that you guys help me and help my worker to have a new workplace and a new home, something like this. Slava Ukraini!